So the pace picked up today in Andrea Constand's 7th and final hour on the stand. She's the chief accuser in Bill Cosby's sexual assault trial. We got to the crux of the matter. Was her relationship, her prior relationship with Bill Cosby before the night in question, romantic? Prosecutors had her reread her portions of her 2005 police statement when they asked her about earlier dinners at his home. The defense has pointed out that the fire was lit, that perhaps the mood was warm and romantic. But she tells police in 2005, no, that was not a romantic dinner. There was nothing romantic. She did say he had made 2 earlier what she calls advances on her, trying to perhaps unbutton her pants, that kind of thing. But she says, you know, she rebuffed him, she leaned forward, got him to, you know, go away, and nothing more was said about it. And she said she never felt threatened. The other key issue that took up much of the day today was phone records, phone calls between Andrea Constand and Bill Cosby, even a number of them, about 70 after the night when she says he drugged and molested her. Constand said that, you know, she, as a Temple employee, she directed the women's basketball program there, often had to call back Cosby. He was a trustee, a bigwig on campus. The defense noted that about 50 of those calls Constand initiated. But on redirect today by the prosecutor, Kristen Fedden, she pointed out that in many of those circumstances, Constand had checked her own voicemail and then returned a phone call to Cosby. She says once she left her job at Temple that year and moved back to Canada, she never called him in the following months until one night later that year when she did contact him to get tickets to a show so her parents could see him. That was a night that she said she hadn't yet disclosed to her parents what he had done to her. She ultimately did. They went to police, and Cosby was interviewed in 2005.
Yeah, you know what, you can do that. Yeah, you can see the jurors. Go around that. That's fine. Perfect. They can go by.
So now we've heard from the 2 women who accused Cosby of sexual misconduct. We've heard from the other accuser earlier in the week. Yet to come is Cosby's deposition testimony involving him getting drugs to give women before sex. We still have to hear from some more police and also from Andrea Constand's mother, who taped a pivotal phone call with Cosby after her daughter disclosed the alleged abuse.